Now, let's talk about our most popular and the single best-selling headphone in the world, AirPods Pro. This design with ear tips provides an incredible audio experience that includes pro-level active noise cancellation, a crystal clear transparency mode, and the longest battery life. And now we're adding profound new benefits that can expand the role AirPods play in our lives. Here's Sumbul to tell you more.
At Apple, we believe that technology can help you live a healthier life, and we're excited to enable incredible new health capabilities for people around the world with AirPods Pro. Hearing is an essential part of how so many of us communicate and experience the people and the world around us. But hearing loss can significantly affect these important experiences and relationships, impacting your quality of life. The World Health Organization estimates that more than 1.5 billion people are living with hearing loss. If left unaddressed, this can affect your short and long-term health, including increased risk of cognitive decline, falls, and social isolation, which contributes to depression. And all of these factors can impact your longevity as well. Over the last several years, we've developed important building blocks in this space with the Noise app on Apple Watch, headphone audio exposure on iPhone, and the Apple Hearing Study. With over 160,000 participants, it's one of the largest studies of its kind. Through this work, we've gained deeper insights into the issues surrounding hearing health, which inspired us to do even more. So today, we're introducing 3 major health features for AirPods Pro 2, focused on prevention, awareness, and assistance. Let's start with prevention. 1 in 3 people are regularly exposed to environmental noise levels that could impact their hearing. To put this into perspective, there are all kinds of sounds that can be concerning in daily life, whether that's commuting, mowing the lawn at home, or when you're headed to that next event. The more you're exposed, the more it can impact your hearing. To help our users minimize their exposure, we're adding hearing protection to AirPods Pro on by default across listening modes. The ear tips help to provide passive noise reduction. Whether you're attending a live show or playing at the show, machine learning on the H2 chip actively reduces louder, more intermittent noise at 48,000 times per second. Hearing protection can help you across a variety of loud environments, preserving the entire dynamic range of what you're listening to. Next, let's talk about awareness. Because hearing loss often worsens gradually, it can be really hard to detect. And even with tests that are available, 80% of adults in the US have not had their hearing checked in the last 5 years. To give you insight into your hearing health, we're introducing a clinically validated hearing test with your AirPods Pro and iPhone. It's a simple 5-minute check you can take from the comfort of your own home. All you need to do is tap the screen when you hear a series of tones at different volumes and frequencies. The hearing test builds on learnings from the Apple Hearing Study and was developed using large-scale real-world data. And it was validated against the clinical gold standard of pure tone audiometry. Once you're done, you'll see easy-to-understand results in a personalized hearing profile. And like the rest of your health data, these results will be stored privately and securely in the Health app, where you can take regular tests, learn more about hearing loss, and share your results with your healthcare provider. Learning if you have hearing loss is a critical step to getting the hearing assistance you need, which can often be challenging due to high cost and a limited audio experience. And global research shows hearing loss often goes untreated. In fact, the Apple Hearing Study revealed that a staggering 75% of people diagnosed with hearing loss haven't received the assistive support they need. So we are really excited to announce that this fall, AirPods Pro will have a clinical-grade over-the-counter hearing aid feature. We're adding this groundbreaking capability to help more than 1 billion people living with mild to moderate hearing loss. After you take a hearing test, your AirPods Pro are transformed into a personalized hearing aid, boosting the specific sounds you need in real time, like parts of speech or elements within your environment. This will allow you to hear your surroundings better, to help keep you safe and connect you with people nearby. So it's even easier to hear and engage in conversations.
Happy birthday, Mom. We're here to celebrate you. And I'm so proud to be called your son.
And with the amazing audio quality of AirPods Pro, your hearing profile is automatically applied to music, movies, and phone calls across all your devices without needing to adjust any settings at all. We are so excited for these updates coming to AirPods Pro 2, delivering the world's first all-in-one experience with active hearing protection, a clinical-grade hearing test, and an easy-to-use professional-grade hearing aid. Building on years of impactful work, these innovations are driven by our unique integration of hardware and software and are something only Apple can deliver. We expect to receive clearance from the FDA and other regulators soon, with availability of the hearing test and hearing aid features this fall in over 100 countries and regions, including the US, Germany, and Japan. These features will be available in a software update coming to AirPods Pro 2 and iOS 18 to help make hearing health significantly more approachable for so many people.